Hi everyone, welcome to Total Integrative Oriental Medicine. I will give you tips and tricks on how to live long and healthy. Today's topic is This Will Drive You to Success, Part 1 Frustration. You wish to succeed in your life as soon as possible. You want to have lots of money without working for decades. You want to be healthy without exercising for decades. You want to have a perfect family without sacrificing yourself for decades. To be honest, you want it all, like I do. You always heard successful people saying you work hard to be successful. I bet you think like this in your mind. Who doesn't know that? After working hard for hours, for days, for months, and years, you realize not everyone can be successful by working only hard, but by multiple factors, which I will talk about later in the future. Without working hard, your chance to succeed will dramatically decline. Then, how can you work hard knowing that you may never be successful? You need something to motivate you. People say it's passion, love, effort, scarcity, and even anger. They are right, but the answers are too abstract to relate to you. You don't even know where and how to get it. I was frustrated every time when successful people told what made them successful because their key to success didn't resonate with me. What motivates you to succeed? I will give you the answer next week. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice week.